Hi there, this is Chris Alagar and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm in the resort for swimming. I'm going to show you what it's look like. I'm going to show you the view. So amazing. So check it out. So what are we waiting for? Let's get it on.
Uwi na tayo.
More ka, pare.
Lalaki naman ang tatay niya yung pera. Hindi pa
pa?
naman ako nag-wait.
Ayun, TMX naman, ano, mabantaw.
Anak, ito yun.
Gusto mo pa? Alam, yun.
Yun
Gusto
daw,
mo?
the blue one.
Si mama naman drive. Ayun, ayaw mo sa ayaw ito. Lakas mo ng makina.
Bet si Jess ka kanina ng Shibu.
So if you like this video, please click on the subscription down below, notification bell. Like this goddamn video, you're fucking amazing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.